Book of Heaven, Volume 12, June 14th, 1918. Jesus reproaches her because she does not write everything. Continuing one evening after I had written, my sweet Jesus came and told me,
"My daughter, every time you write, my love receives one more little outpouring, one more contentment, and I feel more drawn to communicate my graces to you. Know, however, that when you do not write everything, or you pass over my intimacies with you, over the display of my love, I feel as though betrayed, because in that display of love, in those intimacies of mine with you, I tried to attract not only you to know me and love me more, but also those who would read my intimacies of love, in order to receive also from them one more love. And if you do not write, I will not have this love, and I remain as though saddened and betrayed."
And my Jesus, it takes such an effort to put on paper certain secrets and intimacies with you. It seems as if one wanted to go outside of the order of others. And Jesus,
Yes, this is the weakness of all the good who out of humility, out of fear, deny love to me. And in hiding themselves, they want to hide me, while they should manifest my love in order to make me loved. And I remain always the Jesus betrayed in love, even by the good.
thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.